So back in Ningbo in China, Zhejiang province, this is where we manufacture the Sunsynk battery. So I'm going to take you to a tour of our battery factory. I'm sure you're going to be impressed. People think they're all manufactured and assembled by hand. Wait till you see our factory, all done by robots. It's really good. You will be confident. The Sunsynk battery is one of the best products on the market. Well, welcome to our factory. This is where we manufacture the Sunsynk IP rated battery. We're starting right at the very beginning of the production line. And this is where we put the cells into the machine, and after that the whole thing is done, or almost done, by robotic. So every cell is tested?
Yeah, every cell tested by the voltage and select choose the same battery voltage together.
So they're matched. Thanks, David. So we go on to the production. So this is actually where we match the cells, where we put the cells together, and then they're actually tied and go into the machines, the various processes. So we're starting off obviously measuring the voltages, double checking the cells, everything is perfect. So this before we go any further, before we obviously connect the things together. Then we move on, we have to take into the production process where we actually clean the tops of cells. We don't use solvents, it's done by laser. And the laser is actually cleaning, so we ensure we got a good bond as we solder the things together. Well, this is the board that joins them all together. It's got the NTCs, negative temperature coefficient thermistors, to measure the temperature of the batteries and feed back to the BMS. It's also got fuses. It's got every battery is independently fused, so you can see that on the top of the board. We now weld. We take the process, the welding process. It's done by laser. And obviously we can't look at this thing, but you can see it from the video. And this is, each cell is lasered onto the connecting board on the top.
BMS, you can see the BMS. We design and manufacture by ourselves.
C1 rated. They're massively overrated, the components. So moving on to testing. Every battery, 3-hour soak test. And this is the final thing, IP rated, Sunsynk IP rated battery. And don't forget, we can monitor every cell from our BMS and from the Sunsynk Connect. It really is a nice piece of kit. Think of our battery factory. It's impressive, isn't it? You can't knock it. It is amazing. It's all assembled by robots. Absolutely superb. And don't forget, the cells, the BMS, you can communicate, you can actually interrogate every cell. Everything, the cells are perfectly balanced. It's all about longevity in life. We want to put that battery in and it's going to last you for years. Don't forget, keep following us, and I always forget, please subscribe. Thank you.